Hello everyone, my name's Chris Mortimer from Crism Security Systems, and today is Free Advice Friday!
Yay!
Now then, who do you want in your bedroom? Your partner, a doctor maybe, and your lover. Who don't you want in your bedroom? Everyone else! And why not? Because it's your peaceful, private space. So, what about electricians, plumbers, carpet fitters, decorators, and security engineers? Well, I can't speak for the rest of them, but I know that Crism Security's engineers are experienced, they're professional, and they are fully vetted to be S7858. We have to be because we're an accredited company with the SSAIB, which is Security Systems and Alarms Inspectorate Board. If you go on the web, type in SSAIB, press enter on Google, and you'll see why you can trust Crism Security, and you'll also have confidence as to who is coming in your bedroom. So thank you very much for your likes and your comments last week. Please drop some down below for next week, and I'll see you then.